broil my chicken wings and I season them up with garlic powder, pepper. I use Louisiana Cajun seasoning, whatever spices you want, and lemon pepper, of course, lemon pepper seasoning. And season them up as you desire. Okay, you do not want to add too much salt because as you go along, you're going to be seasoning up your flour and your butter, so don't use too much salt. Okay, here I'm going to add seasonings to my flour. I'm using my Louisiana Cajun seasoning, and I'm going to add my garlic powder, lemon pepper, black pepper, whatever spices that you prefer, and you want to mix it up in the flour because you're going to coat the wings with this. So you want to make it, I actually add a lot more lemon pepper in because I want that lemon pepper flavor. Okay, now that my seasoning is mixed up in the flour, I'm going to take the wings and dip them, as you can see, in the flour, shake off the excess, and then place it in the pot to be fried. But first I'm going to just prepare them first before I just drop them in the skillet or in a frying pan. Okay, now that I've coated all the wings with the flour, I'm going to place them in the pot to deep fry. And you fry them up until they're golden brown. I think next time I'm just going to get myself a deep fryer or an air fryer. Okay, now that they are fried up, I put them on this rack to drain the excess oil off of it. And then once I have all the pieces fried, I turn off the oil And then what I'm going to do is let them drain for a while, and then I will dip them in some butter sauce as I'm doing here. Okay, the butter, I added lemon pepper seasoning, a little sazon. Just season up your butter, and then start dipping the wings to coat them in the butter and let them drain. Okay, as you can see with the leftover butter sauce, I'm just pouring it over the rest of the chicken and just let it drain on the rack.